Guys, it's your boy Caribbean Kid 59, and today we're making a pond, as you can see it over there. And Nathan trying to do some construction work. We're about to go to the river. Um, our pond work is almost finished actually, but we're about to go to the river. So yeah, when we get to the river, you'll see me. This boy Nathan is just taking so long for us to go to the river. I mean, like, let's go, bro. Come on, let's go. Alright, alright, alright. Look at that dude. Dirty as shit. Look at that, look at that. A while ago I didn't have this the selfie stick, but now I do. So yeah, much better, right? And then Sergio over there just sitting on his laptop. Look at that nigga. I am VU as usual. I don't play that too. Alright, again, I'll see you when I get to the river. Peace out. Right there, Nathan. He's looking for some worms. I don't know where he's gonna find them, but I hope he finds them because we're supposed to be leaving right now, but now we just stopped and now we're looking for worms on the way. So we won't be getting there anytime soon because the river is pretty far. So I hope that we get there pretty soon. BRB. So right now we're about to go fishing. Well, fishing and bathing in the river. That dude has a tube. That's mine actually. So I'm gonna be the one using it because I can't float. We're just about to leave the house. This guy right here is the only one who does not want to fish. This is Sergio. What, but you don't want to fish?
I fish too much that day.
Okay. Alright, so when we get there, I'm gonna give you some detail about what's going on. And you guys are probably gonna get to see some of the action. Alright, BRB. But we can't bathe because the river's more shallow than we thought because apparently, I don't know, something destroyed the river. So we're just gonna fish. There it is. We're technically in the forest right now, so you're not gonna get to see some action just now, so stay tuned in and trust me, you'll see something. Joe and Nathan are trying to fish over there. Oh my god, my bad. So they're trying to fish with a net. So far it's not really working. I'm right now I'm about to go back and fish with my rod because this isn't working at all. So, oh god, I almost fell. Because we're in the rocks, as you can see.
You go there, I will hold the thing and you go walk the river.
Alright.
Let me, I go walk the river.
You drop the phone on me. Oh, make sure it's
Oi, floater.
Huh?
Floater, Nathan.
That's a rock? What's that?
The floater.
Like,
Starfish.
what style of
For the hook.
For the hook? I don't like floaters. No, you can see. You know, anything.
We are walking. I think I will have to where are you going? How much you owe? I don't know. Oh, you never explained to me what we're supposed to do. Oh, only thing, hurry up, let me walk up, man. Hold the other side.
Let's check on the other side.
I know what myself doing. Hold the other side. So you want the fish to come up and then you hold it, then we'll just go. Oh, yeah, man, I know what kind of thing. Oh, you went to do the whole thing just wait. I know. Just pull it. I didn't end the video. I didn't end the video. You just want to. I go do it. Don't want to do it.
Nathan on a makeshift boat, an old fridge, and 2 sugar canes. This is what you call true country life. True life in the savannah. True life in the forest. Life as a tribal warrior. Yeah, that never happened to me, so. But as you can see, Nathan made his own makeshift boat with an old fridge. Look at that, look at that. And this is my rod. Well, that's Nathan's rod, but I'm using it right now. I actually haven't caught any fish yet, so. I actually haven't caught any fish yet. Look at him. Oi, why you come so close to the thing, oi? You trying to get yourself killed, man.
Oh, you're back big.
I know it.
How? Oi!
I have to try that too.
I want to try it.
If I do it, I'll have to think
How big fish is it?
real. Did you think that thing there? I got my boys Nathan and Sergio right here. The camera's a bit shaky because just now there was a big black white pit bull, so I'm kind of scared and my hand is really shaky. But we're just about to leave after like 5 hours after I've been asking them for so long that I want to leave, but look at them. But anyways, that's all for the day. I know it was a short vlog, but it ain't nothing, is it? The next one, trust me, will be much better. And this is our first vlog, by the way. So goodbye, peace out.